Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Anthony, an artist, crafter and all-round creative person here in the UK. On my YouTube channel you'll find various DIY projects, some hopefully informative tutorials, a couple of craft challenges from time to time, and reviewing and testing out various craft kits, creative products, and anything else I can get my hands on. I'll show you the wins that I have on the channel. I think it turned out so well. And also because I used a dotting tool, it's got like a really nice raised, textured feel to it. It feels nice. Feels really nice. And I'm also not afraid of showing you the many fails and try and get my head around this because for some reason I just can't. No. It's so sweet. I don't even really have to say anything, do I? You can clearly see. It's not a hat. That's like pure mold. I'm growing something in there. Oh! Is it the best paint job I've ever seen? No. Oh, you're testing us. New videos go out every Friday, but sometimes I add extra videos during the week as well, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!